Danielle Lindstrom with Pampered Chef. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Hunter. Say hi. These are my adorable boys, Hunter and Max. I love having them help me with these videos. Makes it more fun. Hope you guys enjoy it too. Alright, so today I'm going to show you our another new product. Pancake silicone shapes. And they've also got some emoji stencils on top that I'll show you too in just a minute. So they're the nice teal to match a lot of our stuff now and to look really awesome in your kitchen. There's a star, a heart, and a triangle. There you go. And you just kind of spray the insides and you just set that down and you pour your pancake inside and you'll get that fun shape. You can also do things like eggs, so you can make shaped eggs too, which is really nice. These don't get hot, which is awesome. So these little tabs, you can just lift it right up when they're done and it comes off nice and easy and it's fun. And then you can use all these fun stencils. It's close to Valentine's Day, so I'll show you this one close up. Do you want one too, Hunter?
Baby, yeah.
Gotta join in on the fun. Alright, so I do wash these before I cook, I promise. So you just set them on top like this. Obviously it will be your actual pancake rather than the mold at that point, but you just set it on top of your pancake and then you can sprinkle on powdered sugar or cocoa powder or cinnamon, just whatever you want to add on there to make a fun little face for your kiddos, and they think it's a lot of fun. Don't you, Max? You like these? Yeah? So we've got a good set of different faces. Like I said, these can be used for different things other than pancakes. I've done them on eggs also, and it's really fun. Max's favorite is the star. He loves the star. So they're just a fun way to change up breakfast, and the kids like it. And I like it too. Adults can like these too, right? Alright, so thank you for watching, everyone. If you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, or follow my link in the description below if you want to get a hold of me about anything. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 Say bye. Yeah, your bye from him is going to be watching him chew on the products. That works, right? He's still cute? Alright. Bye, guys.